At least 11 students from 11 states across India moved to the Supreme Court on Thursday, pressing for postponement of JEE mains and NEET entrance examinations. Students are seeking deferment of the key entrances beyond September. In an interview with India's White Parents Association chief, Anubhav Srivastava Sahai said, students across India want postponement of JEE mains and NEET exams due to COVID-19 pandemic. 11 students from 11 states have moved Supreme Court seeking relief. We are confident Honorable Supreme Court will give justice to these students. Petition filed by Advocate Alakh Alok Srivastava has sought holding of the examinations only after normalcy is restored in the country post-COVID-19 crisis. It is also urged for an increase in the examination centers so as to provide at least one exam center in every district of India. The petition also seeks fresh opportunities to the JEE and NEET aspirants to submit their application form and choose exam centers afresh. Now let's have a look at what does the petition says. Number 1. Due to unwell health conditions or strong possibility of getting affected due to COVID-19, many students may be deprived from appearing in JEE mains and NEET exams, which will be in flagrant violation of their fundamental rights to equality as enshrined within Article 14 of Constitution of India. Number 2. NTA decided to conduct JEE through online mode and NEET through offline mode at 161 centers across India, which are utterly arbitrary, whimsical and violative of fundamental rights to life of lakhs of affected students. Number 3. NTA has indefinitely postponed the National Council of Hotel Management Joint Entrance Examinations 2020, scheduled to be conducted on 22nd of June 2020 in view of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. However, now COVID-19 crisis has much more worse. NTA is still conducting JEE mains and NEET exams. Meanwhile, students have been tweeting using hashtag #SafeJEE_NEET_students_PM to make their voice heard. One student mentioning exam conducting body NTA and Education Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and stating, "We don't have trust on your SOPs after KCET failure. SOPs is only on papers. Nobody will come to check after the exams if you are safe or not. So don't play with our life and announce the postponement now." Another student stating the failures of SOPs and said SOP had only been formulated for all the frontline workers of COVID-19, but still it proved to be an utter failure as they too could not escape from it. Politicians with VIP facility also got infected. Then he asked the Education Minister, then how will SOP protect JEE mains and NEET aspirants? Another student expresses his feeling and said, "I know postponement exam further sounds sad. I know it because I am also a dropper, but this is not the right time for exams to take place. I want to be a doctor in future, not a patient." This time, students are against exams, teachers and educationists are also against the conduction of examinations. But the biggest question is, why government is forcing them to take the exams? We appeal the government that please clear your motive of conduction of these examinations in this time of COVID-19 pandemic. As a student, parents or teacher, what are your point of view in conduction of examinations? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.